Okay, students, today I am going to start the vistas. Okay, take out your copy vistas. In vistas, earlier, according to the deleted portion, we have to go through only 3 chapters, and that is the enemy, Magh Bihu or Maghor Dumahi, and on the face of it. Okay, but right now, without the deleted portion to obihone, we have to go through the 5 chapters, and that is Tiger King, Memories of Childhood, Vistas, on the face of it, enemy, and Magh Bihu or Maghor Dumahi. Tiger King, Memories of Childhood, on the face of it, the enemy, and Magh Bihu or Maghor Dumahi. Okay, today I am going to start Magh Bihu or Maghor Dumahi. The present essay is an extract from the book Festival of Assam by Prafulla Datta Goswami, from where this article is extracted, from where this essay is extracted. One more question, please mark the sentence. It gives us a brilliant and authoritative account of the Assamese festival of feasting known as Magh Bihu. It gives us a brilliant and an authoritative mane? Yes, authoritative means trusted, authoritative account mane description, authoritative account of the Assamese festival of feasting mane large meal, feasting, Assamese festival of feasting, Assamia bhugor eta Assamia utsabor eta bhugor eta bornona dise known as Magh Bihu. The essay also tells us in passing about the 2 other forms of Bihu. In passing about, that means in conversation. The essay also tells us in passing mane conversation, tells us the conversation on about the 2 other forms of Bihu, namely as Bohag Bihu and the Kati Bihu. How is Magh Bihu celebrated? If Bohag Bihu festivities are characteristic of Upper Assam without denying their relevance in Lower Assam, Magh Bihu, the post-harvest winter festival, seems to have a stronger hold on people of Lower Assam, not excluding the tribals. If Bohag Bihu festivities means if Bohag Bihu gaities, festivities means gaities. If Bohag Bihu festivities means gaiety, celebrations. If Bohag Bihu celebrations are characteristic of Upper Assam, if Bohag Bihu celebrations festivities means celebrations are the characteristics of Upper Assam, without denying mane you cannot deny the charge. Tumi obhijogto ossikar koribo nora, deny mane ossikar kora. Without denying, without refusing their relevance mane state of being close, prasangikata, relevance, state of being close. Without denying, without refusing their relevance in Lower Assam, Magh Bihu, the post-harvest winter festival, seems to have a stronger hold on people of Lower Assam, not excluding the tribals. The post-harvest mane ki crops. Post-harvest winter festival seems to have a stronger hold. Hetan eta bandhun ase stronger hold on people of Lower Assam, not excluding the tribals. That means if Bohag Bihu celebrations are the characteristics of Upper Assam, without refusing their relevance in Lower Assam, yes, Bohag Bihu is celebrated in Upper Assam and also simultaneously it is also celebrated in Lower Assam. Yes, without refusing their relevance, prasangikata in Lower Assam, Magh Bihu, the post-harvest winter festival, Magh Bihu eta hobole goi ase herit January February mahot hoy post harvest sob jitia bhugor bihu eto sampurna kheti bati korar pasot mane bhugor jitu utsav pata hoy Magh Bihu. The post-harvest winter festival seems to have a stronger hold on the people of Lower Assam, not excluding the tribals. That means it also includes the tribals. And the term Bihu is not that popular as the term Domahi, meaning the junction of 2 months. And the term Bihu is not that popular as the term Domahi. Domahi meaning the junction. Junction means joint, meaning the junction of 2 months. So it is Maghor Dumahi in Lower Assam, and it is the festival of feasting. Feasting mane large meal typically celebrated in celebratory one, typically a large meal, and actually it is a celebratory one. উদযাপন কৰা হয় যেতিয়া খেতি বাতি সব কৰা হৈ গৈছে হেতু উৎসৱ পালন কৰা হৈছে মাঘ বিহুৰ সময়ত। আৰু কাতি বিহুত অলপ মানুহৰ টনা আজৰা চলে, অলপ কাতি বিহু বা কঙালী বিহু অলপ মানে মানুহৰ টনাটনি চলে, অলপ অভাৱ অভিযোগ থাকে সেইখিনি সময়ত। If বহাগ বিহু is described as ৰঙালী বিহু or sharing বিহু, বহাগ বিহু খুব ফূৰ্তি লাগে, বছৰৰ প্ৰথম বিহু, অসমীয়া মাহৰ প্ৰথম মাহ, আৰু অসমীয়া মাহৰ প্ৰথম মাহ বহাগ মাহ। মাঘ বিহু is known as ভোগালী বিহু or বিহু of enjoyment. A fire ceremony is closely associated with Magh Bihu, but more significant is Uruka. A fire ceremony মানে formal religious ceremony. A fire ceremony is closely associated means connected with Magh Bihu, but more significant is Uruka, the Bihu Eve, Bihur Agnakhon, Uruka. On this day, women folk মানে women folk, the women of a particular family, মহিলা মানুহখিনি, on this day women folk get ready for the next day with sira, pitha, laru, curd, etc. In the classes I already told you that the word which cannot be translated to the English word, original word, then that is why it is written with the italicized word. Sira to কেতিয়াও হেৰি কৰিব নোৱাৰি, তাৰ নিজৰ ইংলিছ ৱৰ্ড নাই। চিৰাই টিপিকেল আছামিজ ৱৰ্ড। চকীদাৰ, কেৰাচিন, গামোচা এইবিলাক ৱৰ্ড ট্ৰান্সলেট কৰিব নোৱাৰি। গতিকে চিৰা, পিঠা, লাৰু, কাৰ্ড মানে দৈ, এতিয়া যদি লিখিলেহেঁতেন DOI দৈ, তেতিয়াহ'লে সেইটো হেৰি ইটালিচাইজ ৱৰ্ডত লিখিলেহেঁতেন। দৈটো এতিয়া কাৰ্ড বুলি আমি ক'লে বুজি পাম, কিন্তু চিৰাটো তাৰ হেৰি ইংলিছ ৱৰ্ডলৈ ট্ৰান্সলেট কৰিলে তাৰ অৰিজিনেলিটি হেৰাব। চিৰা, পিঠা, লাৰুটো বনালেতো এখন বলটোৰ নিচিনা দেখা, তাত যদি আমি বল বুলি কওঁ সেই খেলা বলটো বুজাব, গতিকে তাৰ অৰিজিনেলিটিটো তাৰ নষ্ট হ'ব। গতিকে লাৰু বুলি ক'লে আমি অসমীয়া মানুহখিনিয়ে যিমান ভালকৈ বুজি পাম, বা লাডু বুলি ক'লেও তাৰ মানে আমাৰ অসমীয়া মানুহে যেনেধৰণে লাৰু চাৰু বনায় তেনেকৈ ধৰণৰ তাৰ অৰিজিনেলিটিটো মানে ওলাই নপৰিব। গতিকে গতিকে সেইটো লিখা হৈছে টিপিকেল ইটালিচাইজ ৱৰ্ডত, টিপিকেল ইটালিচাইজ নহয়, ইটালিচাইজ ৱৰ্ডত, যিহেতু এটা টিপিকেল ৱৰ্ড, অৰিজিনেল ৱৰ্ড। Uruka is not exactly a one-day affair, for fuel has to be gathered. Uruka is not exactly a one-day affair. Affair means in a affair মানে কি relation. আৰু এতিয়া ইয়াত Uruka is not exactly a one-day affair. One day collection. এদিনতে সব গ্ৰহণ কৰা নহয়. That means এতিয়া আমি এটো ক'ব পাৰোঁ যে examination actually is not a one-day affair, because the students have to prepare themselves for the exam, and the teachers are also prepare themselves for the exam, because they have to prepare the question paper simultaneously. Students have to prepare themselves for the questions, for the lessons. পঢ়িব লাগিব, টিচাৰ্ছবিলাকেও ৰেডি কৰিব লাগিব, চকীদাৰবিলাকৰো এক্সাম হলত কাম থাকে, চিট প্লেন চিট মাৰিব লাগে, যদি ক'ৰবাত কিবা টুকুৰা কাগজ পত্ৰ আছে সেইবোৰ আঁতৰাই থ'ব লাগে। গতিকে চকীদাৰবিলাকৰো কাম থাকে। সেই একেধৰণে উৰুকাও এদিনতে হোৱা কথা নহয়, এদিনতে হোৱা কাহিনী নহয়। উৰুকা is not exactly a one day affair, is not a one day work, এদিনৰ কাম নহয়। কাৰণ কমাৰ পাছত for থাকিলে সি সদায় because বুজায়। For fuel has to be gathered, ইন্ধন গোটাব লাগিব। Fish has to be got from the ponds, মাছবিলাক পুখুৰীৰ পৰা আনিব লাগিব। Streams, and if possible ponds, streams, ঝৰ্ণাৰ পৰা আনিব লাগিব। And if possible some meat too, আৰু কিছুমান মাংস আনিব লাগিব। In tribal settings, women prepare rice beer, usually undistilled, unpurified rice beer. In winter, it takes 4 or 5 days to get the beer mature, to get the beer developed. In winter, it takes 4 or 5 days rice beer to mature হ'বলে, mature মানে পূৰ্ণতা প্ৰাপ্ত হ'বলে, ডেভেলপ হ'বলে 4-5 দিন সময় লাগে। Another important chore is to build temple-like structure in fields. Another important chore মানে household routine, chore, chore, household chores, household ঘৰুৱা যিবিলাক কাম. Another important chore is to build temple-like structures in the fields. Another important household routine is to build a temple-like মানে মেজিটো temple-like structures in the fields. Usually young lads take hand in this. Young lads মানে boy or young men, young lads. ল'ৰাবিলাক ছোৱালী নহয় ল'ৰাবিলাক young lad or young men ডেকা ল'ৰাবিলাক. Usually young lads take a hand in this. Usually young boys take the charge regarding this. The structures made with green bamboo, dried banana leaves and hay মানে dry grass, hay are usually temple shaped and called mezi, and those which are hut like are called velaghor. Sometimes cowherds mean the cowherds, the person who tends to gaze the cattle, গৰু চৰুৱা মানুহখিনি. Sometimes cowherds pass the night in a velaghor, warming themselves by a fire and making use of the vegetables that they steal from the villagers' garden and the eatables that are given them. Sometimes cowherds means the person who tends gazing the cattle, গৰু চৰুৱা যিখিনি মানুহ থাকে. Pass the night in a velaghor, warming themselves যেহেতু ঠাণ্ডা দিনত মাঘ বিহুটো আৰম্ভ হয় গতিকে ভেলাঘৰৰ চাইডেদি পাৰ হৈ গ'লে সিহঁতে নিজকে গৰম কৰিব পাৰে. warming themselves by a fire and making use of the vegetables, আৰু ভেজিটেবলছবিলাকো ব্যৱহাৰ কৰে that they steal from the villagers এইটো এটা প্লুৰেল এপ্ৰষ্টপি, villagers garden and the eatables that are given them, and the eatables খোৱা বস্তু that are given them, villagers give them the eatables. কেমেৰাটো যে কোন বেকাবেকি হৈ আছে. villagers and the eatables that are given them, villagers give them some eatables, খোৱা বস্তু দিয়া হয়. cowherds লৈ পাৰ হৈ যোৱা মানুহখিনিও ভেলাঘৰ চাইডেদি যেতিয়া পাৰ হৈ যায় তেতিয়া নিজকে গৰম কৰিব পাৰে ৰাতি বিশেষকৈ. Yes, sometimes the cowherds pass the night in a velaghor. গৰু চৰাই লৈ যোৱা মানুহখিনি ভেলাঘৰ চাইডেদি যেতিয়া ৰাতি পাৰ হৈ যায় তেতিয়া নিজকে গৰম কৰিব পাৰে. The people who tends to gaze the cattle in the field, they warm themselves by the side of the velaghor, and they use vegetables that they steal from the villagers' garden, and also they use eatables which are given to them by the villagers. Okay. Uruka feasting may be a family affair or communal. Uruka feasting মানে লাৰ্জ মিল, গোটেই মানুহখিনি যে একেলগে খায় ভোজ. Uruka feasting may be a family affair. Affair means event or communal. After the feasting evening is over, feasting evening শেষ হোৱাৰ পাছত next day at crack of dawn means very early in the morning. Next day at crack of dawn, that means next day very early in the morning, someone in the family ties মানে বান্ধি পেলাই, ties thin strips of bamboo সৰু ষ্ট্ৰিপছবিলাক মানে বাঁহৰ যিবিলাক সৰু চিলি নিচিনাকৈ থাকে, সৰু যে লেচেৰি নে কি কয় এইবিলাক সৰু যে কি কৈছে এইটো, someone in the family ties মানে বান্ধি দিয়ে thin strips of bamboo ষ্ট্ৰিপবিলাক বেম্বৰ বাঁহৰ মিহি যিবিলাক বাঁহ থাকে সেইবিলাকেৰে বান্ধিব পাৰে. jute or hay around fruit bearing trees. After the feasting evening is over, after feasting evening শেষ হোৱাৰ পাছত, after the end of the feasting evening, next day very early in the morning, someone in the family ties thin strips of bamboo. Someone in the family binds a strip of bamboo, jute or hay around the fruit bearing trees. ট্ৰীবিলাকত মিহি বেম্বো যিবিলাক কাঠি থাকে সেই কাঠিবিলাকে বান্ধি দিয়ে fruit bearing trees. Calls out to dogs and offer them rice while women folk clean the house and cooking pans. Calls out মানে provides. Calls out to dogs, provides to dogs and offer them rice while women folk or women folk, that means the women of a particular family or community. Women clean the house and cooking pans. They all take a purifying bath and put on washcloths. Or পিছদিনাখন purifying bath, they take their bath in order to purify them. সিহঁতক বিশুদ্ধ কৰিবৰ কাৰণে নিজে নিজে গা ধুৱে. And put on washcloths, চাফা কাপোৰ পিন্ধে. The male folk means a male member of the family or community. Male folk and children then move on to the mazes and velagars where offerings of eatables are made to the gods of fire Agni. Male folk and children then move on to the mazes. Mazile akbarhe jai and velagars where the offerings jot hioti offerings mane offerings diasta যিখিনি বস্তু দিবলগীয়া থাকে মানে offerings, they have to offer. Male folk and children move on to the mazi and velaghar and they offer eatables, edible things, খোৱা বস্তুবিলাক offer কৰে and made to the gods of fire Agni. অগ্নি দেৱতাক পূজা কৰে আৰু খোৱা বস্তুখিনি offer কৰে. Then to the cries of God's name fire is set to the structures. Fire is set then to the cries of God's names. And then to the cries of God's names. In the name of God, fire is set to the structure. Or his structure to brought jui logwa hoy. Fire is set to the structures. Red flames warm the people so long shivering in coal and the tubes of bamboo burst like gunfire. Red flames elok janai nijor practical day to day life hoi theke mag bihur amoy jikhini hoy. Red flames warm the people. Red flames ronga hikha bilake warm the people so long shivering in coal. So long shivering mane shaking in coal. And when they set fire to the structures, then red flames warm the people in this shivering coal. Karon mag bihu January mahot hoy aru hemot bahut beshi thanda hoy aru jodi red flames when they set fire to the structures, then the red flames warm the people in the shaking coal, shivering coal, and the tubes of bamboo burst like gunfire. Thop ke fute gunfire nisnake. Brahmins or elderly persons give blessings and put marks of ash on the forehead. Murot enake side হেৰিলা forehead কপালত মূৰত নহয় দে কপালত মই ভুলতে কৈছিলো মূৰত বুলি কপালত এনেকে side marks লয় চিন লয়. The half burned sticks are scattered in the fields and pieces may be brought home to be thrown in near fruit bearing trees. Half burned sticks আধা জ্বলোৱা লাঠিবিলাক are scattered in the fields. Fieldত scattered হৈ খেলিমেলি হৈ পৰি থাকে. Half burned sticks are scattered are falling haphazardly য'ত পৰি থাকে in the fields and pieces may be brought home. আৰু টুকুৰাবোৰ ঘৰলৈ অনা হয়. Pieces may be brought home. টুকুৰাবিলাক ঘৰলৈ অনা হয় to be thrown. And that should be thrown near fruit bearing trees. আৰু ফল দিয়া গছৰ ওচৰে পাজৰে সেই sticks বিলাক পেলাই দিয়া হয়. The belief is that the ashes and half burnt bamboo increases the fertility mane production, fertility of fields and gardens. Why the half burnt sticks? Here there is a question that why the half burnt sticks and pieces are thrown in the fruit bearing trees. Because answer is that because it is the belief, religious belief, ধৰ্মীয় এটা বিশ্বাস আছে, belief is that the ashes, saibilak and half burnt bamboos increase the fertility, increase the production of the field and gardens. Europeans who lighted lantern and the midsummer fire also had the belief in the efficacy means ability of ashes and embers as a means of fertility, and embers mane burning as a means of fertility. Embers as a means of and burning as a means of fertility. জ্বলোৱাটো fertility এটা উপায় বুলি ধৰিছিল, উৰ্বৰতাৰ এটা উপায় বুলি ধৰিছিল, means of fertility. Some of them also had the custom of tying bands of straw round tree trunks to render them fruitful. Some of them also had the custom of tying bands. Tying mane attach bands mane bandhi pelua flat thin strip mihi sepeta eta strip bandhi pelua. Tying mane attach join kora, attach thin flat strip of straw round tree trunks means plant to render, to provide them fruitful. Some of them, good sentence of meaning to so, some of them also had the custom, some of them also had the traditional and widely accepted belief, widely accepted way. Custom, protha. Some of them also had the custom, some of them also had the traditional and religious process, religious way of tying, of binding bands of straw, straw mane straw je ami khabor karone pipe, straw, of binding straw round the tree trunks. Tree trunk ejopa gosor side he straw dal bandhi dia hoy to render them fruitful, to provide them fruitful, to make them fruitful. Gosopat bandhi dia hoy jate gosopa fruitful hoy, foloprokhu hoy. These fire rituals have apparently an Indo-European origin. These fire rituals, the ritual mane religious work, the fire religious work have apparently an Indo-European origin. This is the Indo-European origin. Okay. With this, I am going to stop it for today and stop it for this time, not today, for this time, and the remaining portion will be continued in my next video. Okay. Any confusion, then please let me know.